In this episode, we're going to learn all about plane shapes. There are so many shapes that we see every day. Can you think of any? A circle is a plain, closed shape that has no vertices or sides. There are many objects that are shaped like a circle. A clock, a cookie, a lollipop, a kiwi, and a pizza are all circles. A triangle is a plain, closed shape that has three straight sides that connect. They also have three vertices. There are many objects that are shaped like a triangle: a sign, some chips, a flag, a slice of pizza, and a watermelon slice are all triangles. A rectangle is a plain closed shape that has four sides and four vertices. Rectangles can also have two long sides and two short sides. There are many objects that are shaped like a rectangle. These bricks, a phone, a flag, a calculator, and a door are all shaped like a rectangle. A square is a plain closed shape that has four sides and four vertices. All of the sides of the square are the same length. There are many objects that are shaped like a square: a tank, a chessboard, cheese, crackers, and chocolate are all shaped like a square. Now that we learned about shapes, let's see if you can count the shapes on each page. How many circles do you see? That's right, there are four circles. How many triangles do you see? That's right, there are five triangles. How many rectangles do you see? That's right, there are four rectangles. How many squares do you see? That's right, there are five squares. I hope you like this episode on plane shapes. Check out my other lessons to learn more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.